Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through the steps to potentially upgrade your Tomo credit card limit. Let's get started. First, open the Tomo mobile app and log into your account. Your dashboard will show you the current credit limit and spending. Tomo uses a unique system that focuses on your bank account activity and cash flow, not just its traditional credit score. To build a case for a higher limit, consistently maintain a healthy cash balance and positive cash flow in the bank account you've linked to your Tomo account. Next, ensure you're using your Tomo card regularly and paying your statement balance in full and on time every month. This demonstrates responsible usage and increases your chance of being eligible for a limit increase. Tomo may periodically review your account for automatic increase, but you can also proactively request one through the app. Navigate to your account settings or the help section to see if this option is available for you. There is no hard credit check for a limit increase with Tomo, so it won't affect your credit score to request one. And that's it. By managing your finance proactively, you can work toward a higher spending limit. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have successfully increased your limit. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.